Alright guys, welcome back to the Gene Garage. What I'm doing tonight, you can see it's getting dark, it's beautiful out here, it's getting cold, but I had a boo-boo with my CRX the other night. Watch a couple of my videos, so what I'm talking about. So I ordered one. Honda doesn't have them no more. I got a website that I got it from, and it looks the same. So let me show you how this is getting taken. Before that, hit the like, hit the share, subscribe, and that cost me like $50. And I'll tell you will work or not. But you see that? Let me show you on this CRX. If you see in this CRX, you see already. It's already taking care of it. Let me take my phone somewhere here. Now you can see we have to take out the steering wheel out. And after taking the steering wheel out, we have to literally somehow take this out of there. Those are the plugs right there that we need to unplug. That will come out. And after I take that out, then I can put the new one in. Hopefully it takes me about half an hour or so. So with that said, let's get to it, right? Oh, by the way, we have a package for the new build. Not for this one. This one had a new package, alright too, but that one over there. First thing I'm gonna do, I take the CRX apart again. So with that said, get my drill. With that. Thing is, working on this small confined place, yes, you can see my driveway is full. It's gonna be a bitch. So, first thing I'm gonna do, take this out. So I have everything outside, and I still cannot figure out how. Oh, I see. Hold on. It looks like this. I think I found it. Let me get a screwdriver. This way. There we go. Man, I'm taking all that shit apart. Anyway, that goes out. It looks like that. This one goes in. Now, you see this bolt right here? Had to come out because they go right here. Look. Watch. At least these have to come out. Let me see something. Okay. And I did this. I did this one now. Looks like this. Okay. Something. Oh no, right here. Okay. So this one goes on. I'm gonna put it right here. That's in place. So like I was trying to tell you guys. Hold on, I saved the bolts. So these are the original bolts that came out of there. I'm gonna put them down here. There's one. There's two. Okay. That's not gonna do nothing for these two. Okay. So this is in place already. About to put it back. That looks pretty good. See it? Alright, let's see what happens now. Alright guys, well I put everything back together that we're supposed to. And let me show you. Right now my headlights are working. You can see it over there. My signal lights, they're not on. Stereo will turn on. There goes my signal lights are working. They're working. And they're working. That was easy. And you know what? It looks really good. And that looks really good. Look at that. And when you look, I don't use that one at all, but since I already found this one, I'm gonna look for the other one and bring my build to the next level. Look at that. It looks mint as fuck now. You know? It's off, on. Now I gotta put everything back like I did. Hey guys, so got everything back together. Boom. That's my signal light. My lights are working. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna order the passenger side. Yeah, that one is kind of. So there you go, guys. See you in the morning. I gotta talk to you guys about it. I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna go for a hangout. Nice and cool outside, move a couple cars and take this baby for a ride. See you in the morning.